Respected Principal Ma'am, my dear colleagues, loving children, parents, guardians, everybody, good morning to you all. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We all are here, have gathered for celebrating 72nd Republic Day. Republic means, actually, first of all, I am going to explain what topic I will explain before you. First of all, during the situation of the COVID-19 pandemic conditions, our economic conditions related with the USA, Italy, Germany, Brazil, all these countries are powerful. Parents, pay attention. If you do not understand my words, I will also explain in Hindi. Or those who are the students, again I am suggesting parents, मेरे जो अभिभावक गण हैं उनसे नम्र निवेदन है कि प्लीज शांत रहें और ध्यान से सुने. Okay, let them to talk themselves. They are not aware, but we are here to aware them, and definitely we will be there to teach them. Okay, through the education, because education is a sharp weapon. Education is a sharp weapon to cut and to teach anything, to enhance anything. So I am going to speak my speech. So listen one thing. A situation is there. What situations? We all are enjoying our life very happy in our home after the Holi in the year of 2020. We aware from the pandemic COVID-19, but we all are enjoying, we all were enjoying, we all were happy, but at certain 24th March 2020, government declared that a major lockdown, no one moved from their homes without permissions till 21 days. But we all are living here in the constitutional, we all are living here republic. If you read one point to point, one page by page, section by section, article by article, you will not find there any provision to lock down our country, because we have a freedom to express our views, freedom to express our idea, freedom to move anywhere inside the country. But how did the government dare to impose lockdown? So try to understand this thing. I shocked when I listened at 8 p.m. But I shocked what was the reason, in which condition, in which law, in which article they used them and they bothered to them us without prior information, because we are not ready to fight such situation. Suppose there were so many people are means hand to mouth, means रोज कमाता है रोज खाता है, they were not ready to face such problems, such lockdown. But how dare this government to impose this law? So I am trying to teach you all. If suppose something written in constitution, but after the constitution also something there. So government go to actually try to impose the lockdown means from 21st March. But what happened? During they find the loopholes of the constitution. So one of the act which was passed by the British government in the year of 1897, and it was the act, Pandemic Act, when a bubonic plague, it was a disease, bubonic plague, a plague disease tha. And due to this disease, I think near about 22,000 people died in the Bombay. Now it is Mumbai. So government tried to means impose with this article and this act and forced to the lockdown. And within 10 days, they passed a bill under the section 10 in the disaster management and add that bills means the Baboni Flag Act 1897. So means there are so many things which is not written in our constitution. So our constitution is a written constitution. India was the first country that adopted the written constitutions. So I am telling you all, you first ready to face any problems. Second things means what is the importance of the institutions? Institutions का क्या क्या महत्व है? Means if any role of the government to face such or to reduce the problems of such type of conditions. So yes, institution is very important. Suppose you see this, you heard the one actor Sonu Sood. He sent several people who went here, there without food, without shelter, but he sent them their destinations very nicely. But it was possible by only Sonu Sood? No. There was a team. Team, which team? Of them, of him, Sonu Sood team? No. Other side there was a government also. When he started, he talked. I didn't know the full story of about Sonu Sood, but he came in the show Kapil Sharma show, and he explained each and everything about that time. How did he success to send all people who were wander here and there for reach their destination? So if you watch that episode, you will find how did work. So you will find that there were two sides of like the coins. One side is their team, his team, means Sonu Sood team. Other side is the government team. Sonu Sood, because during the lockdown, no one moved from one place. So he needed a special permission from the government to send the people their destination. And government, listen one thing, means actually they find, means the team of the Sonu Sood find that of the, means I think near about the 300 people, they wanted to reach their destination of Karnataka, and there is a place Mangalore or Kurukuli is the place. But it was not possible. Karnataka government refused to give them the pass because due to the lockdown. Other team was the near about 110 people, or it was the Jharkhand state, but Chief Minister of Jharkhand gave permission. And what happened that after 10 days, means DM knew that there is no law to take permission from the government, and DM, DC, they decided themselves in a district and provinces, and they helped the Sonu Sood to send all people to their destination with their pass. So means institution also important. We all are also important. Suppose you all are doing some work, and some work means some are not helping the other, some are helping others. But if you are helping others, it is good. If you are not helping others, it is also good.